Good morning again from Goa. Look at that out there, look at that view. So yeah, today we're off to Palolem. Apparently it's close enough to this place. It's very similar, but it's worth having a check out. We're just wandering around, spinning around the room. If it's anything like this place, it's worth having a butcher's, isn't it? So, see you in Palolem. So now in Palolem. I've got fake long faces, look at that. They're terrible though. So let's check out the shops at Palolem. Yeah, so you've got all your tourist shops and whatnot. I don't like these long masks. Jewellery, spices, munch spots. There's a beach up there, you can see it from here. Yeah. Yeah, mother. Oh, mother. Hi. This is Palolem Beach. I want to see if the water's as warm like a Gonda as well. Still warm. Look at that view over there though. That looks proper nice. And up there. Yeah, but the water's warm. So let's have a little beach walk. Let's go. Right, let's have a walk down the shops. See if we can find anything even slightly different to the rest of the country. Plus the car even. Oh mate, people just gobbing everywhere, they're just nasty. Like this guy's just like rank, mate. So that behind me is the beach road. Same old, same old. 1,000 tourists. Nothing to write home about, to be honest with you. Yeah, lots of them. Coffee. I've got coffee and tea as well. Handicrafts. Should we have a look at this handicrafts place? Oh, Scooby-Doo. There's a lot of leather goods shops around here, like the one behind me. I've got these handicrafts and like got this metal stuff. See this is really cool. I like that, but unfortunately you know a bit about history, there was a dodgy German at one point who basically hijacked the symbol and turned it into saying shit. But yeah, otherwise that'd be well cold. Oh, that one's a good, so you can't. It's nice room, well done. Right, let's carry on up this road. See if there's anything worth checking out, shall we? Oh. My crew just went down to Agonda in a tuk-tuk to 400. I'm going to get the same. See how quick they try to bump me. Let's do it, shall we? There's a tuk-tuk here. Huh? Okay. Don't know what he's rattling on about, but okay, let's find another tuk-tuk. Agonda? How much? 400? Let's go. People is a journey from Palolem to Agonda Beach. 400. There you go. I hope you enjoyed the journey.